Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Grindr account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Grindr application. Click on the profile icon in the top left corner. Now click on settings option. Now go to deactivate option. And here you can see the delete account option. Click on it. Here you can either choose a reason for your account deletion or skip it. And here if you want to back up all your data when you log back in, then click on backup now option. Otherwise, click on no thanks option. Click on the delete option. And if you're sure, click on the delete account option once again. So that is how you can delete your Grindr account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.